I'm trying to fish big one today. And subscribe my channel. Thanks for your support, guys. See, this is the officers club. See guys, I am going to officers club and there is other information. The Balodia bus number is 44 coming to officers club, so you can use that bus also. And see, there is little far, you can see. I zoom for too. This is the water you are fishing here, this area. Yes, guys, now it is the near of the water, so I can show you. There is some guys also fishing. So my place is here. There is big queen, barracuda, kingfish. You can get many kinds of fish here. Now I start fishing, guys. Let's see what I catching today. All of the guys is coming here fishing, so I'm waiting for the small fish. Guys, I am trying to catching fish. Night we are making tent here, and by coming afternoon, but still not getting any fish. It is very bad luck today. So let's see. These our friends is coming tent here, making tent here. We stay whole night here, and morning we will try to again getting fish. We are not getting any fish, so now we are cooking something food.
Yeah,
like coffee or any noodles like this. And the most important things is I come 2 o'clock. Until now I'm not getting any fish, only one crabs. Too much bad luck. Let's see whole night and tomorrow morning, and maybe we have planned to crabbing tonight.
Yeah,
Inshallah we will get more crabs.
yes.
And we are making tent here. This is my tent, this is my friend Marvin tent, this side. All his arrangement is very good, but bad luck.
Yeah.
Guys, we are not getting any fish because we are very bad luck today. So we are going to try crabbing. So we are taking little crabs. So almost 10 kg. There is another packet is maybe 5 kg. So let's see until morning. Maybe we will get more fish. Because most of this is my friends trying to fishing today. So let's see. I'll make a video next time. As I said you guys, I am very bad luck today to fishing. So when the water is going to low tide, we are trying to getting the crabs. So let's see, we are getting more crabs.
Yes.
So next fishing, I'll show you the video. Please wait for this channel.